Hey guys, it's your girl Shay and I'm back again for another video. Okay, so y'all can see my face already on. I don't know if I'm gonna do lashes today, well tonight, because it's like 12 o'clock. But yeah. Now I'm gonna draw some bubbles on my face. God be with me. I don't know how this could work because this is my first time doing this. I don't even know how to do this. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so I already went in drawing the circles using a white liner pencil. You could use white, you could use brown, whatever you have, it doesn't matter because we're going to cover it up anyway. Now I'm going in with the darkest shade of blue from my Icon Cosmetics Color Queen palette, and I'm using a tapered pencil brush. It's very, very dense. And I wanted to use a very dense brush because I don't want to lose any of the pigment that's in the shadow. And as y'all can see, the shadow is really pigmented. So I'm just taking the shadow and packing it to the top parts of each of the circles. Now I'm going in with just a little bit of yellow from the same palette. And I'm going to use the brush that I used to blend out my eyeshadow to blend these two colors in. You want to be very, very light-handed on the yellow because we don't want that to overshadow the blue. I did speed up the blending process just to save time on the video, but it only took me like 3 minutes to blend out all of the circles. Shut up! Yes. Why loving daddy just calls me. This is like my favorite lipstick. Honestly. And it's gonna go to honest. What? Why would you shut up? Okay, so now I have to line it. My hand crooked, so it is what it is. Okay, so taking my white liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics, I'm going in, outlining the perimeters of the circles. Listen. This is the hard part. This was really hard. This was so freaking hard. But okay, so that was not working. That was stressing me out. So I decided to take the liner and try to transfer some of the product on a flat surface. And I went in with a tiny little brush, something that I could control better, to see if I'll have a better result getting this liner around these circles. I mean, it wasn't hard, but it wasn't easy. I'll just say that. This process is speed up as well. I'm sure y'all can see, but overall it took me like 15 minutes by denying these circles. Okay, let me be the first to say this wasn't easy at all, okay? I could not draw these lines straight for the life of me, but I think for my first try at something like this, it came out pretty okay. Pretty okay. Let me know down below what y'all think about this look. Also, I forgot to mention that when I was done blending and lining, I went back in and I just drew little strokes across the top of the bubbles to give it that reflection that, you know, they normally have, to make it look just a little more realistic. If you want to recreate this look and take it to the next level, you could add like some brown shadows around and underneath basically all of the bubbles that you add to your face, and it'll give the illusion like they're actually floating. Unfortunately, it was like 1 a.m. and I did not have the time, so yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all remember to be good. And if you can't be good, what do I always say? Be careful. I can see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I have one thing to say.